Good morning, friends. So happy to be here today. We're going to start by welcoming everyone. Good morning, Wynn. Good morning, Connor. Good morning, Josiah. We're glad you're here today. Good morning, Efren. Good morning, Chase. Good morning, Oliver. We're glad you're here today. Good morning, Holland. Good morning, Addie. Good morning, Adeline. We're glad you're here today. Good morning, Anna. Good morning, Nova. Good morning, everybody. We're glad you're here today. Well, friends, this is Tuesday, March the 31st. And we're still having to do our online school. And I miss seeing your beautiful little faces. But today, we're going to start on a new letter. You did letter X with Miss Pat yesterday. And today, we are going to talk about letter Y. And I am wearing a yellow shirt. That starts with Y. Yellow. I thought about some other words that start with Y. We've got yarn, yellow, yoga, yak, yogurt, and yo-yo. And I want you guys to think of some words that begin with the letter Y. And if you want to, you can cut those out and save those in an envelope or a Ziploc bag so we can glue them on your letter card when we get back to school. Today, we're still going to talk about spring, and I am going to talk about some baby animals, some baby chicks.
Whoa, where are those come from?
A baby chick. Chicks. Here are some newborn chicks. They just hatched out of their shells. This is the rooster, and he is their father. Their mother is called a hen. And baby chicks are usually born in the springtime. And they are so cute. And I'm going to explain to you how a chicken grows. So we're going to start here. We're going to talk about the life cycle of the chicken.
I'm tired.
First, a hen lays an egg. Next, the hen sits on the egg to keep it warm while the baby grows. And then finally, the cute little baby chick hatches out of the egg.
Yay!
And then the mother chicken raises the baby.
What? Why the races?
And a baby chick grows into a hen if it is a girl, or a rooster if it is a boy. Isn't that interesting? I'm going to attach this worksheet for you. You're going to cut this part out, and I want you to see if you remember the life cycle of the chicken, and you put them in order. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. We're also going to do a really neat experiment, and I have attached the instructions to the email that I'm sending out to your moms and dads, and you guys can do this at home if you want to. We're going to start the experiment today, and then on Thursday we'll see what the results are. Now we sort of did this experiment before. We had an egg, if you guys remember, and we let the egg sit in vinegar until all of the enamel, all of the shell on the outside was was dissolved and it left it as a rubbery egg. But we're going to do a colored egg. So, Henry, drop it very carefully. I want you to drop the egg into very slowly. There you go. Okay, let me get on here. All right, we're going to do a blue one. Then we're going to do a green one. Do you want to drop this one in? All right, wait, let me put that. All right, do it very slowly. Okay. All right. And now we have a green one. So we're going to let these sit for 48 to 72 hours and see what the results are going to be. And all this is vinegar and food coloring. And then you're going to let your eggs sit in there for a couple of days. And then we're going to see what they turn out to. And now I'm going to read you a book. It's called The Chicken Book. And The Chicken Book is by Garth Williams. I guess Garth Williams is the writer and, yes, the writer and the illustrator is Garth Williams. The Chicken Book. Said the first little chicken with a queer little squirm. I wish I could find a fat little worm.
There's a worm? What? What's going?
Said the next little chicken with odd little shrug.
What's a shrug?
A shrug's when you go. I wish I could find a fat little slug. Do you see the slug? Said the third little chicken with a sharp little squeal.
What's a sharp squeal?
That's the sound you know that you can make, like squeal.
Squeal.
I wish I could find some nice yellow meal. The meal is like corn.
Ooh.
Said the fourth little chicken with a small sigh of grief.
What's a side grief?
I wish I could find a little green leaf.
Where is it?
See a leaf?
Yeah!
Said the fifth little chicken with a faint little moan.
What's a moan?
And you go, oh. I wish I could find a wee gravel stone.
What's it? A wee?
It's like a rock.
It's like a little rock.
Now see here, said the mother from the green garden patch.
What's a green garden patch?
If you want any breakfast, just come here and scratch. That's where they get everything. He's got a worm. What's he got? A slug.
Slug.
He's got meal.
Meal.
He's got a leaf.
Leaf.
And he... Is that the one that liked the gravel? They're eating their breakfast. The end.
And what turn into?
All right, guys. Well, that is our lesson for today. I want you guys to practice writing your name still, your first name and your last name. And practice writing your Y's. And hope you can get a chance to do the experiment. And don't forget about this worksheet that will be attached. And I guess I will see you guys again on Thursday. Bye, friends.
Bye.
Mwah. I miss you so much. Mwah.